Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by identifying whether the volume is hardware-driven or software-driven. On your phone or laptop, go to Settings, right arrow Sound immediately. Once there, disable any auto-adjust or media volume sync features. If you see an app listed as controlling volume, force stop it now and revoke its audio permissions. Make sure the earphones are unplugged while making changes so the system saves the new default. Once done, reboot or toggle airplane mode for a clean state before reconnecting the earphones. Next, you'll handle the complex middle steps, driver or app-level overrides. On Windows, open Device Manager and update or roll back the audio driver. Set your headphones as the default communications device only if you want limited control. On Android, check sound access permissions for apps and disable those with control. On iOS, use accessibility right arrow audio/visual to set a volume limit. If the earphones have inline remote signals, install an app that maps or ignores remote key codes. Make sure to test volume after each change. Finish by confirming that your changes hold when the earphones plug back in. Open several apps, music, video, calls, and adjust volume to verify the inline control no longer steals settings. If the problem persists, swap to another headset or use a TRRS-to-TRS adapter to block remote signals. This isolates whether the remote is defective. If hardware isn't the issue, reset sound settings to factory defaults and reinstall audio drivers. As a key troubleshooting tip, if nothing works, contact the device or earphone maker with logs and exact OS version.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.